Hey, you made it then. Cheers. Good to see you. So, I'm in Macclesfield, the River Bollin, close to Prestbury. The River Bollin runs, I think it joins the River Mersey eventually, but it heads towards Wilmslow, Quarrybank Mill. It runs through there, through Wilmslow Park. So, this is what I brought with me. Do you remember this I made? My Ewc boat. Hey, do you remember? Yeah, I hope you find me. Oh, I've put Dame River. Never mind. Yeah, Macclesfield Cheshire. So let's see where it ends up. And if you do find this, take a picture, send it us, email us. There'll be information on my about page anyway, and I'm on Instagram. So yeah, if you do find it, take a picture and put it back in, let it go on its journey. I bet you're thinking, have you got nothing else better to be doing, Carl? I should have written puppy on this actually. Do you remember the puppy I found in the canal? Yeah, I should have called it puppy. This is for you anyway, puppy. Right, we're going to follow this for a bit if we can, keep up with it. There it goes. There it goes. Right, let's get on the bike and let's see if we can keep up with it going through Prestbury. Slowly coming now. Tell you what, I'd beat this I think all the way to bloody Liverpool. Just picking up a little bit of speed though. This is a new sport what I've invented. Everyone will be getting on this soon. You know, just like the magnet fishing, loads of people got on that, didn't they? I know I didn't invent it, just saying. Yeah, it's speeding up now, I can see it. I'll probably get caught in the side on here. But it won't stay there forever, will it? Hear the spectators, can't you? Spectators are bibbing their horns. Oh, fish just popped up there, but we're not facing that way. Here it is. Ewc boat. Look at her. Don't she look brilliant in action? Hey. It's a good job this ain't going on the exploring channel. It's just out and about, isn't it? It's just out and about, that's how it is. There she is. There she goes. Going on a new journey. It's going on a new journey, I think, because it's stuck. And there she goes. Watch the fish pop up and bloody grab it. Oh, just missed a fish then. So what I'll do in a minute is head down to Prestbury, I think, see if it makes it that far, because I know there's kids up there and they might jump in and grab it. And there's some not friendly bulls sat there. I'm not bulling. Right, I think we'll leave that. When you find it, contact me. How far did I travel from Macclesfield? Come on, it's going backwards. It's supposed to be going that way. That's it. Bit of wind, that's what we need, a bit of wind. You know, it could be a good sport, this, couldn't it? You could invent something, you know, it blows wind and you're there at the side of it. You know, like that indoor, what's it called? Curling or something like that, where they have the brush and they've got the brush in front of it to speed it up. Well, you could have like a big airbag, couldn't you? You could be blowing the airbag on it. Oh, a bicycle pump. Yeah. I don't know, I'm just making up anything now as we go along. That's a Piccadilly train. Calling that Stockport, then Manchester. There it goes, there it goes. Look, we've got kids coming over here now. I hope they don't jump in and get it out. I think they're more bothered about the bulls, actually. Anyway, cut the film.